The highlights that I've learned at the MOT program is that learning never stops, and to be bold and to be enthusiastic in almost everything that you do.
Daughter who goes to Vista High School. What stood out for me today, I've learned that even if I have boundaries and rules at my home, but I must let my child to be able to say no in bad things and to show respect to them and teach them to take care of themselves.
I've gained a lot of information how to be a parent. The skills I've got here is basically how to deal with your child or children in today's life, how to encourage them and just how to be there for them.